what are you here doing today?
I'm going skydiving. Happy Labor Day, y'all! So I am actually leaving Lansing right now. I just left my parents' house. I had the greatest birthday weekend. This is probably the greatest birthday weekend I've had in a long time. So I've enjoyed myself. It's just been really great. I am actually on my way to Jackson, Michigan right now because I am about to jump out of an airplane. I was actually supposed to do this yesterday morning, but it was raining and then there were clouds and stuff everywhere, so they rescheduled it to today. So I'm hoping that everything goes as planned today. There are still a little bit of clouds out, but they did just ask me if I can come in earlier, so I don't know if it's because of the clouds or if it's just because they want to go home. But I'm on my way there right now. I'm really excited. I've been wanting to do this for years, and I will try to document as much of this as I possibly can. I am getting the picture and video package that they have, so I'll make sure to insert some of those clips into this vlog, but up until that point, when I get that footage, I will try to record as much as I can on my phone. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and I'll catch in with y'all when I get there. All right, I made it to Skydive Tecumseh here in Jackson, Michigan. I wonder if I can't flip it, but you can see the sign over there. It's really peaceful out here. It's weird because I'm not actually like scared. I'm so excited. So I'll catch up with you guys in a second. Oh my gosh. I'm really about to do this, guys. All right, so I just got in here. I am so excited. Like, and seeing everybody like out here getting suited up and everything, I'm so excited. She just told me that since I'm the last tandem jump for the day, there's a whole bunch of like employees and stuff that want to jump out of the plane, like the professionals. So that's gonna be really cool to watch too. So I can't believe I'm really doing this, y'all. I'm really about to jump out of a plane. Oh my gosh, here we go. It's also like really beautiful outside today. There are a couple like dark clouds or whatever, but it's not bad at all. It's actually, the sky is beautiful today. I cannot wait to get on this plane. I don't know how many times I can say that, but I'm watching them right now. Oh my gosh, hold on a second. Oh my gosh. 15 minutes, I will be going 14,000 feet up into the air and I will be falling into the sky. See my outfit, isn't it cute? They said that they usually only put these on when it's cold outside, but you know, your girl had to get the photo ops, okay? So I'm a little warm right now. I'm not even gonna lie, but it's all gonna be worth it because I look cute. So it doesn't matter. I'm finally about to check the number one thing off of my bucket list off. And then from there, it can only get better. Just gonna start checking things off one by one. So I'm gonna check in with you guys after I land back on the ground. What's funny is the guy that I am jumping with, I just talked to him. He is from Lansing too, which is weird. He said he went to Everett for high school until the 9th grade, and then he moved to Diamonddale. But I just thought it was weird, like, of all places, you're from Lansing? Like, what the heck? So I'm taking that as a good sign. But yeah, I am so excited. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to jump. And I cannot wait to show you guys the footage afterwards. I just did my little interview, because they do interviews if you do the video package with you before you jump. I stammered a little bit, so don't laugh when you see that. I'm a little nervous, but like I said, I'm more excited than anything. So I will check in with you guys when I land.
All right, Bree, how you doing?
I feel great.
Yeah, what are you here doing today?
I'm going skydiving.
Jumping out of airplanes, you crazy?
I'm a little nervous.
Just a little?
But I'm more excited than nervous.
Just a little?
Just a little bit.
So is this something you always wanted to do?
It has. It is. It's something I've been wanting to do for a long time. I've been waiting on people to do it with me, and people were supposed to do it with me today, and they chickened out, so it's just me.
10 say they're coming, 1 shows up. That's how it goes.
Yep, I was supposed to come here yesterday for my birthday, but because of the clouds.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Because of the clouds, I got rescheduled for today, so
Today,
I'm really pumped.
It is amazing up there.
Is it?
Clouds building in the background. It's just gorgeous. So you picked a perfect day.
I cannot wait.
All right, we got about 15 more minutes. We're going to be hopping on that plane. We're going 2.5 miles straight up, and we are jumping out. You ready for this?
I am ready.
All right, let's do it. Yeah.
Y'all, that had to be one of the greatest experiences I have ever had. Like, I don't even know. My hair is a mess, everything's a mess, my face looks crazy, but you know what? All of this was worth it. I just jumped 14,000 feet from the air. I cannot wait to show you my video. Like, this is definitely something that I would do again and again. Like, I don't even know. I have to recuperate. I'll be right back. Okay, now that I've recuperated a little bit, y'all, when I tell you that the feeling of jumping out of that plane was the most exhilarating feeling ever. It's like going down a hill on a roller coaster, but like, I can't even explain it. Like, all I'm gonna say is, if skydiving is something that you want to do, if you're scared or anything like that, just do it. I promise you, you are gonna love every second of it. And I just want to say thank you to Cody, who I was attached to, because he made it so fun up there. I don't even know what to say right now. Like, I really do not know what to say. What I will say is, that's something that I would definitely do again. For my friends or anybody that wants to go, if you're in the like Ann Arbor, Ypsi, Detroit, Lansing, like Jackson area, I recommend coming to Skydive Tecumseh. Wow. And they gave us these cute little certificates so that we could have proof that we jumped out of an airplane. Oh my gosh. I really... Just go skydiving, y'all. Just do it. I'm not going to say nothing else on this vlog because I'm speechless right now. So... I'm going to wait for my video and my pictures to come back, and then I'm going to include them here. So that is how my day went, and tune in for more of my 26 things at 26 years old. This is number 2. Wow. Bye, y'all.